I get a lot of questions from students who want to know why and when we use the present perfect tense. In this video, I'll show you 5 reasons for using the present perfect tense. To form the present perfect tense, you need some form of the verb have. So it could also be has, depending on the subject. And then the main verb is a past participle. So here you can see the helping verb matches the subject. I have, you have. When it's singular for a man, woman, or thing, use has. And in the plural form, just use have. We have, you have, they have. And then following the helping verb is the past participle. In this example, we can use the verb go. The past participle for go is gone. I have gone, you have gone, he, she, it has gone, and gone used here. Go, went, gone. The simple form of the verb is go. The past tense is went, and the past participle is gone. A common mistake in English is when a person uses have or has with the past went. Have went, has went. It's a pretty big mistake. Use gone. I have gone, you have gone, he has gone, it has gone, we, you, they have gone. The first and perhaps most important reason for using the present perfect tense is when a situation starts in the past and then it continues in the present. It goes from the past up to now. For example, I have been, this is for the verb be, I have been a teacher since 1988. Here's 1988, and here is 2026. I have been a teacher since 1988, or I could say I have been a teacher for 38 years. Use the preposition since when referring to a date or a time. Yesterday, last week, Tuesday, November. Use the preposition for with a number and then an amount of time. For 38 years. For 3 weeks. For 1 hour. So if there's a number of some sort, just use for. I've had this coat for 3 years. It's 2026 now, and I got the coat in 2023. I got the coat, or I could say I bought the coat 3 years ago. Both sentences are good. Here's the present perfect tense that goes from the past up to now. And in this sentence, which is the past tense, this identifies exactly when, in the past, I got the coat. I got the coat 3 years ago. This sentence in the present perfect tense shows the passage of time. This sentence in the past tense indicates exactly when something happened. We have lived through a difficult year. Here's the present perfect tense. These two words could be contracted. Instead of we have, use we've. We've lived. This sentence indicates when something started. In this case, it's 2025. And it brings us up to now. Starting a year ago up to now. We've lived through a difficult year. She has owned her house for 16 years, starting in 2010 up to 2026 now. She has owned her house for 16 years, or since 2010. These mean the same thing, either for 16 years or since 2010. They both have the same meaning. The second reason for using the present perfect tense is when a specific time in the past is not identified. It's not mentioned when something happened. For example, they have finished their work. There's no indication of when they finished. If we put the word yesterday or last week, that would be a mistake. Don't indicate the time. If you must indicate when they finished their work, then use the past tense. They finished their work yesterday. They finished their work yesterday. Here's the past tense. If you take this off, this is still a good sentence. They finished their work. They have finished their work. Both sentences have the same meaning. Here are some more examples. I have been to New York. So I'm not telling you when I went there, but I have been to New York. He has earned a degree. We don't know when he earned the degree, but we know that he has earned one. You have learned English. When did you learn English? We don't know. All we know is that you have learned it. A third reason for using the present perfect tense is when something happened many times in the past. This is for repeated actions. John has eaten at that cafe many times. This is all in the past. I'm talking about it now, but all of this happened in the past many times. You could also indicate exactly how many times. John has eaten at that cafe twice. John has eaten at that cafe 5 times. It could be once. One time. It could be twice. 2 times. It could be 5 times.
This is Daly Plaza in downtown Chicago. It's one of my favorite places to go when I'm downtown. This sculpture was made by Picasso. I'm not sure what it's called, but I think everybody just refers to it as the Picasso or the Picasso sculpture.
A fourth reason for using the present perfect tense is when something happened very recently. This is the recent past. Something just happened a minute ago, an hour ago, a day ago. This is the very recent past. Something just happened. I've made a mistake. I made the mistake a minute ago. Something has happened outside our house. I heard it just a few minutes ago. Something has happened. And it has just begun snowing. Notice that the word just often appears between the helping verb and the main verb to emphasize the recent past. It has just begun snowing. Fifth reason for using the present perfect tense is when something never happened in the past. This emphasizes that it has never happened. So she has never been to Brazil. Here's the helping verb. This is the main verb. It's the verb be. She has never visited the country, Brazil. She has never visited Brazil. She has never been to Brazil. We haven't seen that movie. Here's the negative added to the helping verb. It hasn't occurred to me. You'll hear somebody say something like this when considering an idea or some type of thought. It hasn't occurred to me. Or you could add on here and say, it hasn't occurred to me yet. There's still the possibility that this will happen soon. I hope you have learned something by watching this video. If you have learned something, then give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Subscribing to my channel or becoming a member of this channel really helps me do the work that I do here on YouTube.